My name is Andile. I play football for my local soccer club. All my friends play football in the streets, but I never miss the opportunity to show them I'm a better player. That's my older brother, and that's my family. I'm the only one in the family that plays football, but they all support me. This is where we buy our fresh fruit before football practice. When I'm not playing football, I also help wash my father's car. I wash dishes and do my homework. Stitch is the local recycler. Everyone likes him. He always keeps a smile on his face and leaves the streets clean. That's our football pitch. My favorite memories were made on this pitch. We are lucky to have our coach. He motivates us and makes it easier to work with what we have. I see all the kids love football, but they are slowly losing access to quality soccer facilities. South Africa is experiencing the most serious and extreme weather because of climate change. The recent Durban floods are a prime example. It destroys many livelihoods, businesses, schools, including football fields for children. We are losing them all to climate change. In some areas, it rains a lot, way more than usual. But sometimes, you don't see a single drop of rain. Depending on the weather, we'll be able to play on our ground soccer field, but on many occasions, we have not been able to play because of the weather. I say every child should have access to a football field. I believe in the power of the sport we love and the power of technology. Sport can create hope where once there was only despair. Soccer has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. It speaks to the youth in a language we understand, which unites all of us to save disappearing pitches. I am Andile. This is my football story.